So YouTube decided to make a massive change to the YouTube platform, and that is hiding the dislike count on YouTube videos. You could still press thumbs up or thumbs down on YouTube videos, but if you press thumbs down starting today, you won't see how many other people pressed thumbs down. Now, I'm going to show you this article here. It's still not available on my YouTube app or youtube.com, but they are rolling it out as I'm making this video. And I guess YouTube did an experiment earlier this year, and I'll put a link below to this article so you can read more. But with that experiment, they came to the conclusion that they should hide the dislike count. They were talking about at one point removing the dislike button altogether, but they are keeping it, but they're just taking the count away. And it says you could still see the exact discount count metric on your YouTube Studio dashboard. Without the public count, the dislike numbers can actually become relevant data to find out if the creator's viewership genuinely didn't like a video. But one of the main reasons is, I guess there were online trolls that were using that as a tool to basically discourage up-and-coming creators. And YouTube thinks by doing this, it will make it a slightly happier place than it is right now. So besides this channel, I do have 4 other monetized channels for my YouTube business. And I think this might actually hurt my other channels because a lot of my content is search-based, and people a lot of times decide to watch the rest of the video when they see a very high thumbs up to thumbs down ratio. I actually always try to get around 98% on my other channels when I make videos. If it gets less than 90%, most of the times I recreate the video and I address what people did not like about the previous video or some things that were not addressed in the previous video. So this, I think, is gonna hurt a lot of my channels, because if you don't have that simple metric of comparing thumbs up to thumbs down. Let's say a video has 1,000 thumbs up and 10 thumbs down, you know it's going to be a good video probably for what you're looking at. If it's a search-based, if you're using YouTube as a search engine to find an answer. So for influencers that are making videos and they already have a subscriber base, this might not affect them at all. And for new up-and-coming channel, I think it's going to be helpful. So there is no tool for trolls to go and give you a ton of thumbs down with a bot of different YouTube accounts. But unfortunately, in my case, I think it's going to be hurtful for the type of content that I make, which is search-based content. But I will keep you posted. I'll do a video 1 month from now and let you know if this made a big difference on my viewerships across my 6 different YouTube channels, which 4 are monetized, and basically help me have a YouTube team with my YouTube business. I wanted to make this quick video to give you an update and what's happening. It should be rolling out today, but let me know in the comment section what you think of it, because YouTube did this experiment and they decided to roll this out right now, but they do sometimes revert back if something doesn't work out. So just to do a little survey, let's see what other people think of this update. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.